To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Sameer Dixit is now joining us with the latest on this. Sameer, over to you.
So after the report of AIB related to Air India's aircraft crash, the preliminary report, now Air India's CEO Campbell Wilson has addressed to its employees and has mentioned that there is, as of now, it seems that there is no problem with the aircraft that was indicated in the report. In his letter, he mentioned that the report suggests that there was no problem either with the maintenance of the aircraft or with the engine, and there was no mechanical problem as well. So there was no sign or indication of the same. In addition to this, he also mentioned that the aircraft has gone through all the mandatory pre-flight checks and also related to the pilot, because there are several questions being raised for the pilots, and in his letter, CEO has also mentioned that both the pilots, they had undergone the mandatory pre-flight breath analyzer test, and there was no medical condition that was to be alarmed or something like that. In addition to this, even the fuel that was the aircraft fueling was done, the fuel had no problem, that was mentioned in the letter, and even the takeoff of the aircraft, it showed no abnormalities. So in totality, if you see the larger message that CEO wants to convey, that from their side, from Air India's side, it seems that they are not at the fault side, and that is the reason that at the last leg of his message, CEO has mentioned that yes, there are a couple of speculations or the rumors being raised related to AIB preliminary report, but he has mentioned that as of now, no early conclusion or speculation should be made, and Air India as an airline is fully complying with the investigating authorities. They are fully supporting by providing all the support. But yes, the larger content, the larger message through this letter that CEO wants to give, that at their side, the pilot has gone all the necessary mandatory checks. The aircraft, no sign of any problem was mentioned, and it is there in the preliminary report. So that is what the airline is trying to convey to the masses.